Look at this shit weather. Oh, and today I got to prep this RCZ. Well, not to prep it, just to give it a wash, as I got a customer coming tomorrow. I had the car up for sale, I think since 2nd of December, and beside that oil leaker, I didn't have any inquiries on the car. Now today is my last day off and I don't know what to do. Might have to take a day off work and get this car sorted. As I say, I can't really afford to lose this customer, and I want the car to be in perfect conditions. As you can see, it's a bit messy because I've been using the car. Yeah, that's it pretty much. So still haven't decided yet if I'm going to take a day off, but we will see. The car is not bad, but I want to make sure it's in perfect conditions. Eventually I decided to take a day off because I've got quite high profit in this car. After everything, should have around £2,700 in this, so I want to sell it as soon as possible. I bought the car last year in July, well, at the end of July, but I decided to keep it for myself for a while. So I've been on a trip around Scotland. I loved it. It's a really nice car. I bought the car from someone's wife who sadly passed away. I paid for the car £2,800. It had some problems with the front sensor, the parking sensors, which I fixed them. They just need to be put back into place. The car was smoking a little bit because the lady topped up the oil and she added way too much. It needed new coil springs, 4 new tires and some bodywork. The front wing was painted and the spoiler was broken, so I had to buy a new one. The AC gas needed to be recharged and it needed a service, plus 4 new tires. I would like to apologize for my voice. I've got a really bad cold and I'm trying my best to get this video done. After I've rinsed the car, I gave it a quick wash using the Brain Dead shampoo. Like I said, the car already been prepped. I just need to give it a really good clean because I've done some motorway trips. On the wheels, I'm using the Brain Dead Fallout Remover. Like I said in my previous videos, I really like this product and the effect of this product. Next, I use the wheel cleaner. Also, I'm using the same cleaner on the tires. Then I agitate the product and the dirt using a brush. Next, I rinse the car and you already can see a water beading effect, and this is from the shampoo, which offers a protection to your paint as well. The next product I'm using is the Mequai Ceramic Wax, something like that. Basically, you apply this product while the car is still wet and offers that ceramic coat protection, whatever it's called. To be honest with you, I think this product is a waste. It's a waste of money. It's about £20 per bottle, and I don't think it's that good. There are lots of other products out there much better. it feels like you wash away the product. So I applied the product and then I rinsed the car with water. That's how the product gets activated. But to be honest, like I said, I'm not very impressed. But because I got the product, I should be using it. The one I recommend and I really like is the ceramic wax, which you apply like a traditional wax, and that gives a 6 months protection, and it's a really good product, I think. Next, I dried the car using a drying towel. Next, I apply ceramic detailer. Now, I really like this product. It's easy to use and gives the car a really nice shine and that water beading effect, and makes the car stay clean for much longer. So I apply this by spraying over the body, and then I just go around with a drying towel. Just use a drying towel to buff it off, and then I'm gonna use another one to come back again to remove all the swirls and marks. And I think these extra steps are the steps that make your car stand out and make your car look exactly like in the pictures. The engine bay was cleaned already, so I just gave it another wipe over just to make sure everything looks nice and fresh. The inside of the car was pretty clean. I just had to pick up my rubbish. And my Santa Claus hat, which I'm using at work to make my colleagues laugh. Next, I give the dashboard a quick wipe using the Brain Dead dash cleaner, which also is a dressing, and it does a really good job, to be honest with you, and I don't have to put too much effort into it. I gave the seats a quick clean using the Brain Dead leather cleaner. And the last step is to dress the tires, which in my opinion makes a massive difference on how the car looks. But next time I should be using a proper applicator. The product I'm using is Brain Dead Tire Gloss, which lasts for quite long, to be honest with you, compared to other cheaper products on the market, and that is a big bonus. At this point, the car is pretty much done. I didn't have to hoover the interior because I had new floor mats And to be honest with you, I'm really happy with the results. And here it is, the final product. I hope you'll enjoy it. So I had a viewing. A really nice couple turned up, along with the father-in-law, because apparently he's an expert on Peugeots. They looked at the car. They said this is the cleanest they've seen. They spent probably 20 minutes looking around the car, turned the engine on, listened to the engine, all that stuff, checking the oil, the coolant, blah blah blah. And then we took the car for a drive. So I took them on the motorway so they can properly, test drive the car, and over a few speed bumps because they wanted to check the suspensions and everything. And they loved it. They loved everything about the car. Now we got back and they started talking about the price. They said they like everything about the car, but the price is a bit too high. Now the car was on Auto Trader on very good price bracket. Which I think it's brilliant, no? It's not on good price, it's not on fair price, it's on very good price. They said, can you do anything about the price? I said, unfortunately I can't drop the price, but instead I'll give you 12 months warranty instead of 6 months warranty. I said, okay, that sounds good. We parked the car and then it was just me and the guy left in the car. And then all of a sudden, he goes to me, okay, if there's anything wrong with the car, where do I find you? He became very aggressive. Where I'm going to find you? Because we were talking about moving house in a month or 2 months, and I'm looking for a bigger place. And I said to him, well, they expect me in a few months' time to send you a text message. Hey, by the way, I moved to this address, blah, blah, blah. And I said to him, at this point, I don't even think I want to sell you the car, because I think you're one of those people that will be on the phone every single week moaning about things. It's a used car, it's a 12-year-old car. I've done 50-point safety check on, I've checked everything on the car, it goes with warranty. I mean, I don't think there is a reason to return the car. Then he said to me, yeah, but if I change my mind and I want to return the car, I want to know where to find you. I said, well, it doesn't work like that. You buy the car, you take it home, you use it for a month or two, and then decide, oh, you know what, I don't really like this car, let me take it back to the dealer. It doesn't work like that. Then they said they got a few more cars to view, and he said he's going to give me a call back the day after, or in 2 days' time, to let me know if he wants it or not. He called me back 2 days later, saying that he wants the car. At which point I said, well, sorry, but I don't want to sell you the car. And he goes to me, why? Well, you almost threatened me, like where you gonna find me and all that. You assume that I'm selling you a dodgy car. And I found it very disrespectful, to be honest with you, because I put all my effort and everything into this car. He said, oh, come on, please, I'll take it. I promise I won't give you any headaches, blah, 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 and all that stuff. But I said, no, you know what? I'm not selling you the car. I'll wait for the right customer. That's it. End of story. So I think it's very important to pick your customers, to choose your customers, because it's nothing wrong with the car, but they will find something to moan about. It's a 12-year-old car. Obviously, you're going to find a few things here and there, maybe a plastic vibrating, that sort of stuff, which is, it's not my problem. I was not the one who built the car. So, long story short, I'm going to wait for a better customer, I would say. Once again, sorry about my voice. I had a really bad cold last couple of days. This video was meant to come up, well, this video was meant to be up about a week ago, but I was just too busy. I was here and there all the time. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. There'll be lots of videos coming up, and yeah, stay tuned.